So here we are at COMPUTEX Taipei 2015. We're standing at Hall 1 at Acrox. Now Acrox traditionally makes a lot of peripherals, but now are transitioning over to professional sound system. Now we have a rep here who's going to tell us a bit more, but what we really like to know is why the transition?
Okay, because around over 5 years ago, we are trying to think about what's different and what's kind of the sound quality that the people can enjoy the music with their life. And 5 years ago, we probably the only one and the number one of the manufacturer really make the ceramic speaker system in the world. But at that moment, probably the market don't have that kind of the segment to accept this kind of product. So even that time, we always think about what kind of the hi-fi or high-end sound quality bring that kind of enjoy life can make the people they love their songs. And now even these 5 years, we always looking for some of the different possibility and the different kind of the combination with all the technology or some kind of different spec. Especially now, the mobility product is become of the major of the player in the world. And most of the people, they try to listen to music from the cloud, from streaming, and now the Bluetooth wireless become more popular for the people's life. So this time, we want to come back with the really high-end and hi-fi of the sound quality. And everybody uses a transistor. But how can we enjoy the analog of the sound feeling in the past? Vacuum tube become one possibility. But actually vacuum tube in most of the marketplace, actually vacuum tube amplifier or the audio system is really high price and not affordable for most of the end user. But now we want to make this kind of benefit and sound quality, make the end user very affordable and really easy to come to their life and their home use. Yeah.
And I see that this is a fantastic system here. This is the latest vacuum tube system you have.
Yes.
Can you tell us a bit more about this?
Yeah, this one we have the vacuum tube amplifier to control about the sound quality, and the vacuum tube is that means only the high end that we insist to use a vacuum tube design, and we use two vacuum tube. For example, you can see this one is the vacuum tube. We have a tool to control the two channels. So each channel with one vacuum tube. So easier to make the sound sounds richer and the sounds better and warmer too. And then for the Bluetooth connection, we use the CSR, the chipset technology. We call this one is a Bluetooth lossless technology. You can enjoy the high definition of the sound quality, the resource to play the music. It's more like the traditional way to listen to music in the past. For example, like the high end of the standard of the audio system, they require with the high definition one. So in the past, they don't want to have an MP3, but now we have a new Bluetooth technology can bring a better quality than before. And we combine them together into the one system. So easier for end user have this opportunity to use a wireless connection over the traditional wire connection into the one small system.
Okay, well that is fantastic. This is a beautiful set, and thank you so much for having us.
Okay,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.